I'm going to show you exactly how to create a fully functional Shopify front end using Canva without coding a single line, even if you've never built a website before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate your website, refine it, and publish it ready for development. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to ChatGPT and ask it for a prompt to generate a Shopify front-end design. Once it creates the prompt, ask it to turn it into a JSON prompt. Now head over to your Canva homepage and click on Canva AI. In the prompt bar, choose the option that says Code and paste your JSON prompt. As you can see, the initial result might look a bit plain, and the hero section isn't as polished as it could be. To fix this, let's refine it by adding another prompt. Now it already looks way better. Next, let's add the product that we'll be selling. Generate it again and see how it fits into your design. This version is starting to look polished, but notice that the generated price might be too high. If you're just starting and building your audience, you'll want to offer your product at a more approachable price. Add another prompt to adjust the price and hit enter. Now we're talking. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Edit Design, choose Website, and once it opens, click on Publish Website. You'll see an area to enter your site address, but first, click Preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. Let's name it Resellers Pack and hit Publish. Canva will instantly generate your website UI ready for website development. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've now learned exactly how to create a fully functional Shopify front end in Canva, refine it for better design, and publish it ready for development. Keep experimenting, keep improving, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. And that's it. You've just created your very own custom daily planner in Canva, simple, functional, and personalized exactly the way you want it. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.